Hey guys, thanks so much for following us here on Stalls TV and learning all about heat transfer decoration and how you can start and grow a heat press business. I wanted to come to you today with a little bit of a different video that shows you some free samples that I want to extend out to you. All you need to do to get this free sample kit that you see here is register for an account on transferexpress.com. Transfer Express is our transfer manufacturing division where we do full color direct-to-film transfers, full color digital screen transfers, and Plastisol transfers like our #1 selling Goof Proof. If you want to experiment with all of these products because you have a heat press, this is a free way to do so. So let's open this up and let's do an unpackaging to show you what you get when you register for a free account on transferexpress.com. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. All right, when we're producing this video, you may be watching it later, but it is early 2022. We have the full transfer price guide. So inside of this, I can see all of the updated pricing for screen printed transfers based on number of colors and quantities that I'm ordering, for our new direct-to-film transfers, and also for our CAD prints digital transfer. So a lot of different types of transfers that you get to understand. This is my favorite part, is the samples. And so all of these samples, they're in the kit. It gives you the temperature, the time, and the pressure to set your heat press for. Or you can just scan the QR code and go straight to the application instructions on the website. And so let's explore some of the different products that we have here. So this is our UltraColor Max. I love this product. It's a full color transfer that applies at a low temp, no outlines. This is great for super fine detail. One of my favorite products for you to try. The sample pack is worth that alone. And then there is another product here. This is our UltraColor digital screen transfers. Now you'll get the latest that we're selling. This one is UltraColor Soft at the time of this video. And different little nuances. That's why we want you to touch and feel. But on this product, you save cost as you go up in quantity. But it does have like a little clear outline when you apply it. So a little less money than UltraColor Max, but you get a little bit clear outline. So you get to test those both side by side, which is awesome. And then our Plastisol transfers, which is our #1 category. And so we have a few different styles here. Have to read in reverse because that's how transfers come. We have Goof Proof, we have Hot Split, and we have ElastiPrints. You'll get to try all three. The Goof Proof is our #1 seller. Has really good opacity on the garment, really good quality, nice soft feel. But some people want even softer, and for that we do the Hot Split, so more of a vintage sort of look where we get almost blends right with the garment. Doesn't quite have the opacity as Goof Proof, which means if you apply white on like a black shirt, white will stay true white with Goof Proof. On Hot Split, you'll get a little bit of a show through, but some people like that. And then ElastiPrints, which is our little bit of a stretch formula for performance polyester, applies at a little lower temperature than Goof Proof or Hot Split. And so get to try all three of those. Again, you get the instructions. And guess what? You also get our best-selling numbers. And on the numbers, they come in the different ink formulas, and we call out, this is the ElastiPrints number. This is the Goof Proof number. And we even give you a 2-color number. It's tough to see here, but this is a 2-color number. All applied in one step. So if you're doing vinyl numbering, you're going to want to try these transfer numbers. And then we can cut personalized names for you. Print personalized names. I'm so used to vinyl cutting. We can print personalized names for you out of actual Plastisol screen printed ink to pair with your numbers. And so all of this is included in addition to the idea book. And the idea book is one of the great things about Transfer Express. It explains to you how to set up and use our online designer. It gives you all of the fonts and products that we have available, and it gives you codes to go in and pull up each layout. So you can actually show this to your potential customer, have them pick a layout, QYT247. You can pull this up, change the name, change the text, change the clip art to match their business. And this same book allows you to show them the different clip arts. Let's say they want a flower. All different types of flowers, Vikings, trees, tornadoes, you name it. There are literally thousands of pieces of artwork, all that you have free access to by setting up an account. So that's it. All of these samples just for setting up an account. What does it cost to set up an account? Nothing. Absolutely free. All you do is go to transferexpress.com, you register, you get the samples, try them out, hop into our online designer and experiment with that and try your first order. start decorating with screen printed transfers. If you've been cutting and weeding vinyl, it's great. It has a spot, and we see a lot of businesses be profitable, but there is no good reason you should be weeding 50 of the same design. There's a better way to do it. It's a screen printed transfer. Try it out. I know you're going to love it. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button down below. Make sure you ask any questions that you have below, and check out all the links to get over to the website to go ahead and register your account. Thanks for watching.